Hi, my name is Yaudin Zia. I'm presenting this paper Advantages of Cryptography Tools and Securing End User Equipments. Cryptography tools are very important for securing communications. In order to maintain CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability, we must implement or apply uh, some of the rules or algorithms to make sure the network or the communication system is secure and safe. There are certain different tools available in the market. The types of the tools, there are two types of the tools: static and dynamic tools. Here we are about Crylogger, which is a dynamic tool, open source tool used to detect cryptographic misuses in Java and Android applications. Crylogger has two features: a logger and checker. The logger is monitoring cryptographic algorithms on the APIs and store their parameter values in its log file, while checker is analyzing these logs and reporting the violated rules. The logging process can be done in runtime or online. Hence, the checking process could be done offline, which is optimizing the performance. Uh, uh, Different tools are available for collecting information, but here in this paper, a tool named Monkey is used, which is very convenient and efficient for Google Play Store applications. This application triggers actions on graphical user interface of an application and generates random events. Each time this monkey application trigger or called an instrumented class, it saves it import the parameters and save all those parameter values in a log file. The checker analyzes those log files and report all those find or founded violations. Uh, Another tool that we have studied in this paper is CSPROP, which stands for Ciphertext and Signature Propagation. Generally, each computing devices are connected to the internet and participate in internet scale protocols such as the DNS, TLS, and HTTPS, and many others. Usually, security solutions for these protocols rely on conventional cryptography algorithms that requires computationally expensive operations that can be very complex for such low power and inexpensive devices. In such case, one of the following will occur. Either performance will suffer, or security will suffer, or the developers will suffer. Several studies has been conducted presenting the computational and energy cost of conventional cryptography protocols on embedded IoT processors. And here CSPROP is illustrated. CSPROP is used to measure the cryptography overhead TLS handshake. Basically, this measurement is conducted on three generations of Raspberry Pi hardware. The hardware specification is shown in this table. As we can see here, elliptic curve consumes more time to finish a TLS handshake comparing to CSPROP. CSPROP is actually faster by a factor of about 2.7 times from the elliptic curve. IoT companies and developers are eager to find solutions to secure these resource constrained IoT environments. So is lightweight cryptography concept introduced. Intelligent or smart audio systems are becoming popular. We are using different smart applications in devices in our daily life. For instance, people talk to their smartphone or smart speakers to set an alarm, to set up an alarm, inquire personal schedules, and control smart home appliances. And mobile banking explores remote voice authentication to quickly verify users to, click, to quickly verify users and prevent frauds. In addition to that, drivers can also operate their vehicle and access their car functions simply through a voice command. Many types of information can be extracted from speech signal. In intelligent audio system, the most important and common two features are speaker recognition, which aims at identifying the speaker of a given utterance, and secondly, speech recognition, which seeks to recognize the speech content. Intelligent audio uh, systems are powered by deep learning model. However, models like deep neural networks and it has been shown to be vulnerable to various types of attacks. The particular type of vulnerability is adversarial attack. Adversarial attack is where the adversary intentionally modifies the input sample by adding a small perturbation called an adversary example. These type of changes are usually invisible to humans but are able to deceive DNN model using it to yield false prediction. Service Worker is a powerful technology and there is a steady increase in the number of websites that adopted it. Service Worker is a JavaScript code which is independent of the web applications. It means that your browser might run the service worker even after you close the web application. It was introduced to fill the gap between native application and web applications by providing features like push notification, background synchronization, cache storage for optimization of performance, and providing offline modes for websites. Service workers are used by different websites to understand this. A customized browser named Chromium is developed. Chromium is used to collect the information needed from the service worker. Also, by using the Chromium browser, 1 million Alexa websites are analyzed and identified that service worker on more than 30,000 websites. Android permissions system is one of the key mechanisms that users can use to control their private data and how it is shared. The Android permission system allows users to grant and deny information via runtime permission request prompt as well as the setting menu. From the user's standpoint, a lot of features that go into users' decision to grant or deny the permission. These factors include how users use the app, their expectation of permission required by app, whether app explains why a permission is needed, users' privacy attitude, as well as demographic. An Android application called Private Droid is implemented as an experimental tool and it is used online for online advertising to recruit participants, republish or advertise the material on different social media services like Google, Reddit, Facebook platforms. User click on the ad got directed to private Google Play Store page and install and join our experiment this experiment if the participants or if they are the individuals are interested. Some of the participants need to answer few demographic questions. Private record the apps for the service install and permissions to grant or deny it, when running in the background of their phones. Upon detecting permission decisions, Pravdroid collects participants' expectations in decision rationale through a social service. Pravdroid also records any permission explanation provided by app before requesting permission. To measure these privacy sensitivity, participants are asked about their attitude towards mobile privacy with a modified version of questions in the IUIPC skill. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy the paper. Wish you best of luck. Thank you.